To record a screencast using the WeVideo extension, you'll go up to your toolbar and select the WeVideo icon. So you'll click on the icon, log in if you are not currently logged in with your Google account. Make sure that you give access to your camera and your microphone to the extension, and then it will tell you you're good to go. So I can now go back, click that WeVideo extension again, and then it will ask me if I want to use the screen and my webcam, if I just want to record the screen, or if I just want to record the webcam. You can also choose the microphone that it looks for, and then you click record. From here, you choose what you want to record. Do you want to record your entire screen, just one particular window, or just one particular Chrome tab? It depends on what you're using this for. If you're using just one single website within Chrome, then Chrome tab would be fine. If you're just using one particular program, then window would work fine. But if you're going to be jumping back and forth between something different, then entire screen would be the way you want to go. So once you click it, you can click share. You'll get a countdown that starts recording, and then you just start talking. You also have this little toolbar down here in the bottom where you can add drawing tools. If you wanted to make notes as you were speaking, you could do that. You can have something that kind of follows your cursor that you're clicking on, so that if students need to be able to see clearly what you're clicking on, that's what that tool does. You can also hide these tools so that they are not visible. When you are done recording, you can hit the little stop button. You can also hit pause if you want to stop for just a moment and then continue. Once you're finished, hit the square to stop. You'll be able to preview your recording. You can choose to change the title. You can choose to delete it if you did not like it, and you can choose to download it directly to your computer. You can also choose to save it to WeVideo, Google Drive, or OneDrive, and that will send it right to those services. If you want to do any more editing to your recording, you can open it in the WeVideo app, which there's a whole nother set of tutorials that will teach you how to edit within the WeVideo app. But recording your screencast is as simple as clicking on that little icon, setting up what you want to record, and then just recording. The simplest that you can do is just download it directly to one of these services, probably Google Drive, or directly to your computer.